The definition of probability is the chance that some event will occur, and it's a ratio. The probability of any event occurring is equal to the number of favorable outcomes compared to the number of possible outcomes. So if we look at the raindrop example, the probability of red was 9/25 because there are 25 possible places for it to land, 25 equally likely squares in which the raindrop could land. And if we define our favorable outcome or event as red, 9 of those tiles are red. So there are 9 favorable outcomes out of 25 possible outcomes. For blue, there were more blue tiles, so there were more favorable outcomes. I have a typo there. That should be 25, obviously. So 16/25 is the probability of it landing on a blue tile. Favorable to possible, which explains why we can't have a probability less than 0, because the least number of favorable outcomes you could have is 0. And you also can't have a probability greater than 1 because you cannot have more favorable outcomes than you have possible outcomes. If I have 25 places for this to land, I can't have more than 25 of them that are red or blue or any other color. I'm limited to 25. So between impossible and certain, 0 to 1 is your range for probabilities. Probability of yellow was 0 favorable outcomes compared to 25 possible outcomes. The probability that will land on a square tile, the probability that will land on a tile that's a square, well, every single tile is a square. So 25 favorable outcomes out of 25 possible outcomes, it's certain to land on a square tile.